Mm. Actually, I don't know the meaning of this word. Like today's topic is, are social sites used for stalking instead of communicating? So, what do you mean by stalking?
No,
Uh,
no, it is not stalking. It is only the talking. I guess it is a typo.
no, no, no. This is not typo. Stalking means किसी को
Huh.
परेशान करना. Means uh,
Oh,
Okay.
to annoy
Okay.
to
anyone.
send useless message. Because I think you have seen. Suppose someone
Mm,
has posted a message on Facebook, and there are many person. There
mm,
are two type person. Some person like that message, and some person don't like that message. So they try to send some useless message, and also viewing a profile without taking permission of anyone. That is also process of stalking. Suppose you are searching a girl on the Facebook, so basically that is example of stalking. Means you are trying to access
oh,
some information without uh,
mm.
that person permission, you can say. So stalking is that. Okay, so
Stalking
Oh, okay.
Amit,
somewhere I.
Then okay.
okay, Amit bhai, eh,
Huh.
okay, Sailesh bhai, you can start, no issue.
Mm, mm. Okay, so I want to say that yes, definitely. Actually, this is very good topic that today people feel like annoyed whenever anyone send them a particular message which is just like unwanted and without letting know it to them. So yes, definitely. Right now, yeah, we cannot feel just like so much communicated, or we cannot get any much kind of more information from the Facebook. Instead,
Sailesh
means
bhai, Sailesh bhai,
yes.
actually I have searched the meaning of for stalking. Meaning of
Mm,
stalking in Hindi is पीछा, किसी का पीछा करना.
mm,
Okay, that
okay.
is. Yes, yes, you can proceed.
So hmm, yes, okay. So I was saying this, yeah, definitely right now, Facebook, not only Facebook, even just like you can see example of even WhatsApp or this even Twitter also. People used to just annoy any other person, and this is why because most of right now this is become the nature of most of the you can say boys that they just want to get connected virtually with any kind of girl, but whoever it is. So it is a common thing that whenever whatever girl they used to see on social media, definitely this first of all look at her profile and then message them personally. uh, and yes, the main reasons to use Facebook, just like earlier used to, that people used to run the Facebook 5 to 6 years ago, mostly to get a lot of uh, informations regarding uh, means people used to know about each other, that in their society what kind of people are posting what kind of things. And I know this thing that before 2013, yes, before 2013 there was very less pages on Facebook, and due to which people were usually connected with their friends only, not much more unknown persons. So people were just connected to each other whoever they were be knowing, and they used to talk them just like necessary talks. And even if they used to do gossips, then also it was very less chances that people used to send a message to a random girl or any kind of this kind of thing. And right now when pages are means generated per day, like hundreds of pages, new pages are being produced on Facebook, uh, and even same on Instagram also. So people used to find the way, just like any girl comments or like anything on any page, so that kind of girl is random. So people used to get connected much more with this kind of random girls. So I don't know why, but yes, it is even you can say habits of many person, and just used to send them unwanted messages, even means this they used to abuse also. So this thing of this is just the mentality of people, just why because uh, they whenever they started to watch, I mean to say ki from 2016 when the Geo was launched, each and everything on internet become so much available for all, just like so much videos. So people are much more involved in Netflix, in Alt Balaji, in much more type uh, dirty things. So when they used to watch these on mobile, then ultimately, then definitely they feel like they have to talk to any girl, they have to talk to any girl. So I think it is a major reason that instead instead to getting any proper knowledge or communication like thing on Facebook, they just annoying some person like especially girls or ladies. They used to send them even vulgar messages. So I think our this easily availability of internet has much more role, uh, more role in the sense that means as I talked earlier that this kind of faces, this kind of available some very dirty links of videos. People have this kind of mentality, so that's why they want that yes they have to talk to any girl anyhow. So that's why I can definitely say that right now these days people used to do these kind of things more on social media. Yes.
Okay, so Amit bhai, if you want to speak on this topic, so you can speak, because we have
Yeah, yeah,
very
obviously.
many new members. We have Ashu, Devi bhai, Pooja, and Sonakshi.
Okay, okay.
So I
I
am
will not take
thinking,
more than 2 minutes.
and
Okay.
then give some time to them also, so they can speak. And
No, no, I'm not going to talk a lot now.
okay, okay,
Okay. So actually, thank you for this word, because I was not aware of, and it has been added in my own dictionary, or it has been added in my memory. So thank you first of all this word. The stalking is nothing but you will have to run someone, okay, or you are following someone. So as per today's topic, it whether the stalking on the social media is good or bad, right?
yes,
Let me
yes,
check.
yes,
Use for,
yes,
okay, stalking instead of a communication. Yeah. So
yes, yes,
let me give you one example. Actually, see, the even what I feel that when I had updated my the profile on that the marriage websites, there are the Bharat matrimony and blah blah, so many, right? So I used to do it stalking. Okay, means even see the same girls also means they are used to do, means they are also used to do same thing. They are also stalking me. They're checking my profile. I feel that sometimes, and even I used to do. But until once you get married, then all will all you all will finish. Okay,
all
so this is the
all
one
will
type
be
of example.
available.
No, it's not available. I mean, how, see, before if you want to meet someone, right, before getting married, so you will have some conversation or you will have some meeting, and before that you will have to see see in that matrimony site there will be the only one or two photos, not more than the two photo, right? Not more than two or three photos. But if you go on the social media like a Facebook, right? So Facebook, everyone will have registered their profile in a profile. Now, just now that Instagram and other social media came into the market, but previously, before that, even I still remember that there was Orkut as also. I used to doing that Orkuting also at that time. Okay,
yes, yes,
so
Orkut,
so
yes.
as far as the yes, yes. So Facebook is concerned. I before meeting someone, I was excited how she looks like, what someone that the habits or something, right? So I wanted to check that before meeting to someone. So I used to do the stalking.
You are naughty.
But once I got married, I stopped
Amit
everything. So
bro,
that's it. That's it from my end. Okay, but it's good. It's bad now. See, it's bad now. Okay, but even suppose if you want to search your older friend, so it is good, because on the social media I got my the older friends of the 10th also. So sometimes it's also good, but you should not use that. You see, but otherwise someone will get
I
frustrated
think
of you. And
Amit bhai, I think changing friend is not comes under this talking. This talking is some
okay,
different thing. Because
yes, yes,
you
yes,
have mentioned
got it,
example
yes, yes.
before marriage, you try to assess some profile. That can
Haha.
be example of stalking. But
Yes, yes,
assessing
yes.
profile of your friend, that is not, because you are going to assess profile of a stranger, and
Haha.
for friend at least you know he or she is your
Right, right,
friend.
got it.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
we have
got it.
new member as like Asu bhai and Pooja. So let them speak. So Asu bhai, now you are young and you have hot blood. So just tell your experience. What you say about this?
Hot
Okay.
blood. Wow, what
So
a
yes.
great word, hot blood. Yeah, it's really great topic. And now, what is the exact term for this is cyber stalking. Okay, so when we talk, when the people connect with us on these sites, is called cyber stalking. So now come to the point: what is cyber stalking? When the people, for their financial gain and some
You are not audible. You are not audible.
Off your camera. Then you can speak. Switch off your camera. Asu, switch off your camera. Asu bhai,
I guess he's unable to hear you. That's why he
yes,
continuously
yes,
the speaking. Hello?
yes, yes. Okay, so give some chance to Devi bhai. So Devi bhai, after very long gap, um,
Hmm.
you have joined today.
1 week gap.
Yes, 1 week gap.
Thi-
So we
This is
want
not fair.
Yes.
You
uh,
will have to
Yeah.
pay some fine also.
uh,
Your what the present. We have the 85%. There should be a present. Otherwise,
No,
you will get
I was about to
disqualified.
join
I guess now I don't know whose network is bad now.
yesterday,
Uh,
right?
uh,
But
uh, yeah, Devi bhai, you are also not audible actually.
yeah,
okay, so let's check
okay,
the
maybe.
firstly network.
So
Okay,
I'm not
Devi bhai.
audible, no?
No, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Devi bhai, you are audible. You can speak up.
Yeah. So happy Dasara to all. Let's hope that everyone get a lot of success and aspiration in their life. So let me begin with in that positive note. And today also I will say only positive about stalking. So I don't want to mention that company name. So I had attended one of the interview in one MNC company. So they literally checked my Facebook profile. So literally they all the things they checked verified with based on the Facebook profile. So based on that they asked a few questions. So definitely they are also doing stalking. And road is how the audition was going on. It is there they were asking the Facebook profile or the Instagram profile. Based on that only, that is the first priority criteria for them. So the stalking is as Ashubai about to say that it is like the cyber attack or cyber harassment. It is next step of the stalking. So it should not go for extreme step, as Amit Bhai was saying, he, he was looking for his life. So when we are going for life partner, we should do that in such kind of things. It is stalking is never be a bad thing. One girl is passing in front of me. I should see that all the look or the whatever it is. That is also one kind of stalking or any observations. So that is never be a bad thing. and social media is the both. It is communicating and the stalking. Without stalking, that social media is like a dumb. That is no use of social media without stalking. Stalking is first purpose of the social media. Because of that only it is there. If don't want to stalk any other person, the Facebook or many Twitter or many Instagram, they come up with some privacy features so that they can lock their profile. That is the privilege is there for all the users. So if they don't want to do, they can lock their profile. So stalking is not at all good, not at all bad, and it is healthy. Stalking is good always. So we are following the Bollywood actors, what they will do, what their routines and all, so how they are doing. That is also one kind of stalking. I cannot say that that is not stalking. That's also stalking, like observations or following. The Facebook itself is having or Twitter, it's having the option like following. So when the moment you started following, definitely you are started automatically stalking that persons, means you are following whatever the daily routine of their persons. So definitely stalking is not good. So it is good. Yeah, over to you guys.
But actually, Devi Bhai, suppose if someone is sending unwanted messages to anyone, so how it can be good, as it is also a part of stalking.
Yeah, ignore that.
Mm.
So my suggestion is, can ignore. Yeah,
Okay,
Mm.
so Asu bhai, if you want to speak, then you
or
can
block
speak.
that person.
If your
So
network is good.
Okay, now am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah. So that's I was saying that the proper term is here for this cyber stalking. So I would say it's totally bad. So we always think it's only happens with girl, but I am the case. It also happens with me once. But there was a boy, and he made a profile with the name of girl, and he start messaging me on Facebook. Okay, so I also face this case. So firstly,
That's
they
why
talk
I
like
have
a girl,
said
and
you
after
are
that,
just young and hot blood. That's why I've said. Now boys are following you.
no, it's not the case, sir. So that what I was saying. So it's also happened with boys. So it's totally bad. But how we can avoid this? If somebody is messaging you and unwanted messaging that annoys you sometime and that you want to see in your profile, and they sometimes leads to harassment, lust, and for the financial gain. Okay, so now come to the point how we can avoid these messages. Okay, so if your profile is high, like you when they also attack, if you are rich, you are have a high profile, then there may be higher chances of getting message from a strange person. Okay, so keep your profile low. Okay, and the second thing, update your software. If you are using Facebook, Instagram, other sources, so keep updating them. Now come to the third point, maintain good digital hygiene. Like we see if somebody requests us and we don't know, then and then also we accept their request, but we don't know who are they. So we should first, if we know them, then we should try to accept their friend request, because the people have, I think, 500, sorry, 5,000 friends on Facebook. So it's just a number. So try to maintain hygiene, don't accept all the request on these sources if you are not a celebrity or anything else. And the main thing is, avoid disclosing your sensitive information, because when we see like a girl are messaging us, then they ask our address, our IP address, and our sensitive information, that can lead to be a danger. It may be a harassment or it may be a financial gain. Okay, so
Okay, I think there is some network problem with Asu bhai side. So now Sonakshi and Pooja, if you want to speak on this topic, so you can speak because this is very serious topic which we are discussing here, and everybody has just faced at least once, two times, three times in their life. So if you want to share your experience, so you can share. Otherwise, you can speak on this topic. Pooja and Sonakshi, please.
Actually, sorry, sir. Actually, I'm doing something.
Okay, okay. Okay, Pooja, what about you?
Hello, sir. May I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. Actually, sir, I don't have any idea about this. Actually, I just I have a ID. I have the ID, but actually, I don't have any types of experience. But just I wanna say one thing. If you don't know that how they are, they just send to request. So there's no need to accept them if you don't know that. But if you know that something, so then we can accept and then we can talk to them, because there is in this era there is so I mean it's not safe as a girls if they accept the request without knowing any person. So that is the main reason. Even they may be the victim of any crime if they do that without knowing any person, and something like that. So yeah, that's all from my side. Even I don't know about this, because if someone send me request, then I check firstly. If I know them, then I will accept. Otherwise I don't need to accept any request. So there's a point from my side, I guess. So
Okay, so Ganesh and Vikas.
Yes, yes, sir. I want to speak. I am actually appreciative Devi Bhai's point. Devi Bhai put here so many good point here. Whenever we not stalking, then our connection not get. So and communication also means before the stalking, we can't communicate with anyone. Means first of all we need to follow someone or we need to connect to someone. Means it's unknown or unknown. We can take a example of our group. In the in the initial stage we all are unknown, but now we use it very good in our WhatsApp group also. Means first we are living in different places, but with one purpose we came here. So that is good. That is also stalking. Means to accept the request or to connect with each other, so for the good purpose. Means yes, it's need to sometimes verify what is the purpose of that request or that group. So and according to that we can accept also. And Devi Bhai also said one point, uh, whenever we want to follow the some heroes or means some celebrities, if they didn't accept our request, means whenever we not following them, still we didn't know the his or her behavior or his life cycle, sorry, lifestyle. So it is also good to us, but it is also necessary to don't disclose the our confidential information. Still if we are not trust on them, trust on the another people. So that's it, sir.
Okay, Vikas.
Sir, I don't know this point.
Okay, okay. No issue, no issue.
Actually, I want to raise up a question that right now many of girls, even ladies, feel so much problems. Just like there are a lot of WhatsApp group, and many girls, ladies are also connected in them. And some people also means anyhow manage to get the link of many groups of WhatsApp on social media, and with that particular random links they used to join that WhatsApp group. And they just after joining they just check up whether there is any girl or not in the WhatsApp group. and if they find any, then definitely they without letting them know, they just send them message and message. And even sometimes they used to do WhatsApp call also. So I think especially if there are means ladies, then they feel a lot of uncomfortableness in this. So this is also comes under the stalking. So in this case, what should any especially lady do? Because right now we have seen a lot of network marketings are also running, like Vestige, Hollywood, or Modi Care type. So many ladies especially are also connected, and they are married. So many people used to video call them just without knowing, letting them know. So in this case, what can they do? Because it becomes necessary also for them for earning to be connected on WhatsApp. So this is also stalking, and how can they, I mean, save themselves from it?
Yes, in social media, and they have the block the request means block the people option also. Using this, we can avoid these unnecessary messages. Means so sorry. Those people.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ganesh, you are right. You can we can block, but till then, people just do video call. That also means so many times. Yes, I have also practically seen. So in this case, especially if there are ladies, married girls, they feel a lot of uncomfortable because they are in their sasural. So a negative impression becomes due to this.
Yes, yes. Whenever we know the person is doing this, we can block that people. Na means what we can say means unnecessarily means in first call they do that. Na but if we understand these people doing, then for next time this is not happening. So that's why we can block that people.
But blocking is not a good. Okay, means see, you try to in a initial stage you can try to avoid, okay, such a cases. But if it is, it is going, means it is not going to stop it, then in that case you take
Yes, yes,
you can fire it, na. Then what is the right?
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Because that's important, because ultimately how you will going to get that help, and it
Yeah,
is
yes,
very difficult
because
to
of
trace someone also. So we don't have any option. You'll have to go to the police and you'll have to register that FIR. So that can be the done also.
Uh,
yes, yes,
no, but I
Because
think everyone would.
yes, because someone is stalking you, and sometimes it will get frustrated, right, if it is the ladies. And sometimes, yeah,
Mm,
and particularly ladies, they will not speak up. They will try to keep such a thing in their own
mm,
mind, and they will not share with anyone. So better to share such a thing, share with mother or any that the friends, right, or a brother also, and they can raise the voice. Because if you are not the talking, and you are such bearing a such thing, then it would be a difficult for you. Now now it would be the first time, but what would be the next time? So it would be ultimately too difficult to bear them, and something goes wrong also in that case. So try to raise the voice against such a the nonsense things like stalking.
mm.
yes. But
Uh,
I mean, why it has some disadvantage means this irritating messages seen by some family members, and they get angry. Means I'm talking on the real situation. They get angry means someone is irritating to some girls or some lady. His father or mother get angry on that people, and they are going to beat that people also. Means first of all, these people is
uh,
unknown also. Means we know where he from, but if he know where he from, then it become a fight also on that people.
yes, I agree. I agree with you, right? Because in such a cases, the limit can be a cross also.
Yes, yes.
But someone who is doing that should understand it, what is going to do it. Because we have in our family we have the mother, sister, and the wife also. So we should not be able in such a manner, and we should not cross our the extent limit, and everything it should be in a certain limit.
Yes, yes. Means in its own we can avoid this, but doing this, if not avoided, then we can disclose this to
Yes, yes.
speak with someone,
Yeah, yeah.
family member.
Okay, so I think Amit bhai, it's also depend upon us how we are treating the social media. Because if I am a genuine person, so I am not going to do such type activity on social media. And
There is some voice in your background.
no, no, actually,
I
Sonakshi,
can.
just let me now. This is clear. Actually, this is coming from.
Okay, have you muted
Ah,
her?
yes, yes. Okay,
Okay,
so what I am
okay.
saying, it's also depend upon us how we are going to use social media, because there are many people as as we have many social medias like LinkedIn and Facebook. So we have got more starting cases on Facebook compared to LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is basically dedicated to some professional, and only professional are active on those sites. But Facebook is a general site. Everybody is just active on you know Facebook, and that's why we got many cases on the Facebook. And as Devi Bhai mentioned, yes, stalking is a very good sometime, because nowadays many companies, many ID companies, and many organization are doing. They are just searching your profile, and the Facebook just try to assess your information. What is your character basically? Because whatever we do on the Facebook, anybody can read our message, and they can find some information about ourselves, how we are behaving actually on social media. Suppose in social media I am abusing to everyone, so they definitely know, okay, I am not a good and person and genuine person, because I am not expressing my view instead of abusing. Because I have seen many people, suppose I have posted a message, yes, Mr. Narendra Modi is not doing this work good. There are many people, without reading, without asking me why you are saying, they are just posting messages, yeah, you are useless person, something like that. And I have seen many messages that is not related to that particular message, only they are saying something like this. So this is really wrong thing. As Amit bhai mentioned before, uh, married, he tried to assess all the profile of girls. Everybody is doing, except including me also. Because when I read in BTech, I also used to do just searching girls on the Facebook. Why I was searching only for sending message, please be my friend, something like that. Now we are mature persons, so we are talking here, and you can ask Asu bhai and Vikas bhai, who are just student. And there are many, and it's also depend how you are going to treat also. And this is from both sides, not only from boys, also girls are doing same. Because I have seen my colleague, uh, she always used to search profile on the Facebook. I don't know why, but she used to. So, and sometimes it's also good, at least we can make connection. And sometimes it's also bad, because we irritate such some people, and they get so frustrated and just start abusing, and they just say in front of everyone why you are doing say, only to at least you can feel same. So that is not good sometime. And as Devi bhai mentioned, yes, nowadays companies, organizations are doing, also they are doing stalking, but they are doing for some good purpose, and we are doing for some wrong purpose. Only difference is that. And the extreme level is, as Ashubai mentioned, that is cyber stalking, or you can say cyber crime, because this type of activity also include in cyber crime. And when people just frustrated from this activity, just they report case in police station under the cyber crime. And as we know, okay, what will be output of that. So as per Devi bhai, yes, I agree with some point. Yes, this is very good. At least by stalking, we can find the genuine information. But when I am listening to Naresh Bhai, so I can say this is also bad because we are just torturing some person by sending unwanted messages, no, forcing, "Ki, please be my friend." So that is not good idea. So this is from my side. So now we have only 90 minutes. So Sailesh Bhai or Asu Bhai, you can compile this all the session. Asu bhai, if your network is good, then you can compile.
Yeah, yeah. So
Uh,
yeah, sir. Now it's good. Can you hear me?
yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay. So what I was saying that how to avoid these things. We all know. Sometimes we don't want to get message from stranger person, but we get because of our profile. Because how we can maintain all these things, how we can avoid, how we can prevent from these things. So the simple technique is keep a low profile. If your profile is high, like you daily post your messages and you seems to be a high profile person, then it may be you there is a higher chance of getting messages. So keep your profile low and update your softwares like whatever the social platform you are using. It may be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you are using. So keep updating them and maintain good hygiene. What is the meaning of maintain good hygiene on social platform? Because whenever we see a friend request from a girl or a boy, we don't know who they are, but we accept them immediately. So try to avoid this thing. Don't accept all the friend requests from the strangers. And the last and main thing is avoid disclosing your personal sensitive information. Because what happens sometimes, we after talking 1 month and after talking some weeks, we used to be friend very we try to be very friendly with them, but they are talking with them with some wrong intentions, it may be. So don't disclose your personal information like whatever you know our main information. So don't disclose this because it may be lead to a financial gain and any cyber crime.